All right, well, if you are watching this video, that means that my YouTube memberships is live. You might be wondering what that join button is. Well, it's another way to further support this channel. You know, I absolutely love creating videos on this platform. I love that it's free and accessible to everybody, and I'm so happy that the videos have been super helpful to all of you. Thank you for your comments and your support. I will mention though, these videos do take a lot of time and effort to create. Obviously dancing and doing the lesson or the trick or whatever it is on the video, but then the editing side of it is about 3 or 4 times as long as actually filming the video. It's a lot of effort, a lot of time. I love doing it, but I also need to pay adulting bills from time to time. But yeah, this is one way that you could show your support further by becoming a member of the channel. And you may be wondering, what does becoming a member of this channel give you? Well, I'll be trying to add more and more to this as we go along. For now, it's some fun little perks such as emojis and a little icon next to your name in the comments. Also, I'm going to be experimenting with early access to videos. Apparently that's a thing we can do. You actually would be able to see the videos before they actually get released to everybody. So that's pretty cool. There's not going to be videos that only members can see, you know, steps that only members can see. I want to keep everything free. I want to keep everything accessible to everybody. But this is just a way to support the channel further. Buy me the occasional cup of coffee. I appreciate all of you for all of the support in whatever way that is, either by simply liking the videos, subscribing, or any of those types of things. Super thankful. Thank you so much. I will see you all in the next video.